what's up everyone on YouTube? Today we're reviewing this gravity car phone holder. It's made by Volport. What's cool about this is that you can actually hang it off your air vent or a CD slot. So the cell phone holder does come with instructions. It tells you in case you want to use the air vent or the CD slot. And the construction of it is actually very sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all, like some of the other cell phone holders that I've had in the past. And here's the cell phone or the CD slot adapter. So in case you have a CD slot, you can actually slide this in and rest the backside of the cell phone. So either adapter will have a ball joint, so you can put the cell phone holder. So the CD slot has that ball joint and also the vent, but for my car I'm going to be using the vent attachment. So what you do is remove this little nut that's there. So after you remove the nut from the back side of the cell phone holder, you grab whichever adapter you're going to be using and you're going to slip it like this so the threads are on that side, and you're going to then put the ball into the housing in the back of the cell phone holder, like so. So it'll snap into place like this, and then you can screw the nut so it'll hold it in place and it'll be sturdy. So now when you go to put the mount on the vent, this little push down button opens up the jaw, and you can just slide it into the vent like so. So open it enough just so it can have a good bite, and you can always adjust the angle that you want it at. So make it face towards any side, tilt it. If it's too loose, you can always tighten up the nut in the back. And there you have it. When you put your cell phone, it actually hugs it in place like this, and it feels sturdy, unlike some of the other cheap cell phone holders I've purchased in the past. Something I noticed when I put my iPhone in here, my iPhone 7 Plus, is that it won't fit with the slim outer case that it has. So just keep in mind that whatever case you're using, it might not be able to fit inside the little arms on the side. And also a good feature that it has is it has an open slit right here on the bottom where this rubber piece is, to allow your charger to hang down from there. Great, thank you for watching. Have a great day.